beach.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, why did it take us so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own.
Hello guys, yeah, we are in the beach. We are in the beach. No, you guys should wait. We are waiting for Mommy Alfred. Vanna, come. Yeah, because today's weather is very hot. Okay, they don't come down.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, why did it take us so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers get answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. Waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. And now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Take us so long. Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers get answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. Now I found you. And now my prayers get answered. Now I found you.
No, this one, the chicken is here. Grant, yes?
I want.
This is the lady in charge of the barbecuing things. That kind.
No, I can't be the only one who doesn't want to fall in love. Doesn't want to fall in love. Doesn't want to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care.
Roberta, say hello to
Let's
the
get high
vlog.
tonight. 'Cause fun can we feel? But for now, we'll give it all away.
Hey guys, yeah, we are still at the beach. It's very hot, guys. 35 degrees, very hot. Say hello to Roberta. Roberta, say hello to the vlog. Oh, nice. Now I won't understand. Why like YouTube? You they go YouTube, so African woman. African style. I think yeah, and I'm asking you about I said, wait, it's for all of you. I want to put the friend first. You film the salad?
I think this is my girl.
Yeah, I'm the server of the day. I'm doing the service. Service things. We have our barbecue, we have chicken, we have salad, we have ice cream. We have ice cream.
Son, don't they disturb my girl. Open, disturb her name. Grant, go and take carrots. Go and take carrots. Ah, don't pass, turn that side. They might go up on one with the belly. Ah, no. Take that, do. Take that, do. Take that, do. See barbecue, 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 barbecue. Very good. Yo, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Turn like this. Wanna give me spoon now? I don't get spoon to take it. Don't worry up. Well, why dogs if you wear a barbecue?
I don't know. Stop. Hey, yeah. This is our barbecue mama. We are still in the beach, guys. Yeah, there are a lot of people happy out here. Take a look at this sexy mama. Hello. Hello. Wow, there's a lot of people. Today is very hot.
Yeah, it's hot. We have 34 degrees.
34, I think, not very hot. So there are a lot of people in the beach here.
From yellow to black. I go black, oh.
Don't be lie. Me, I don't turn Shako be that. For where you for black?
You don't see her. You see the two color now. You don't see her. You don't black today.
Hello guys, welcome back. Yeah. We'll soon leave though because here is very noisy and it's crowded. There are a lot of people here. So crowded. But the kids don't want to leave the water. They are still playing. Abby say cuckoo. The kids don't want to leave the water. Oh my gosh. It was so fun. It was a fun day though because today 35 degrees, 34, 35, that's a lot. So we are just happy at least we are at the beach, you know. We are at the beach. So the we have eaten. So the only thing left is for Nathan to cut the Smiley, smiley girl. All this way they come back to water again. When you know that side. We do that side. Hey, Mama, let's go and cut the cake.
Let's go and cut cake.
Let's go and cut the birthday cake, yes? Of course, next time we'll come.
We'll come next week.
Ali, let's go.
Get your slipper. My head.
Which one they look at? Wait, see your son. Wait, make my mayo bar no enter inside blood. How they sound? We're not keep butter. Okay, you were there. To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, Nathan. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hip, hip hip hip. Nathan, are you one? Are you two? Are you three? Nathan, how old are you? 3 years. What am I 4 years now, babe? Nathan, allez, soufflez, soufflez, soufflez. Allez. Hurrah! Welcome back here. Okay guys, today is Wednesday. Is about 4 days after the beach party. Yeah, so I already edited this video guys, but I just want to add this clip. Yeah, I noticed I did not do an intro and also an outro. At least I said let me do like an outro for this video, you know. So I just want to use this medium to thank you all for all the beautiful birthday wishes and prayers. Like, I love you all and we appreciate that. Thank you for the word of prayer for my son. Like, we really appreciate it. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long because the beach party is obviously already too long, but I just want to do a quick unboxing guys. Yeah, I told you guys in my last video that the rest of Nathan's gifts I'm going to pick it up, so I did that yesterday. So it's from Verbaudet. You guys know we are a fan of Verbaudet. So dun, dun, dun. This is a birthday gift from Verbaudet to Nathan. Just take a look at that. So this is our gift. Thank you Verbaudet, we appreciate this. This is Nathan's shoe. So this is what it's looking like. It's so cute. I don't know, he might be using this as his school shoe. I don't know. I just saw it and I like it, so yeah. And I also love the fact that it's easy to wash. You just pop it in the washing machine and you're good to go. So this is size 28. It's so cute. And this is the other one. So I got you know guys, Nathan is starting school. I don't know if I've said that in any of my videos already. Nathan is going to kindergarten September, which is next month. It's just few, well, I just counted days now. I won't even say few weeks anymore. So over here there is no uniform, so you have to buy them clothes and shoes yourself, you know. So this one is so cute. I think this one is 29. Yeah, this is 29. I didn't want to take 228 because he's already wearing 27, 28 now. It's looking so cute. So guys, that's it. Yeah, this is for Harmony. I bought this during the sales. I kind of bought this because of the price though. Have you ever bought clothes or anything because of the price? Because it was kind of affordable. I was like, why not just take it and add it to? Just take a look at it. It's so cute. It's a simple t-shirt, but it's really cute. So this is what he's looking like. I think this is 8 years old. Okay, this is 10 years. I also have stuff here. Let me quickly show you guys that. Let me quickly show you guys. Okay, this is the shoe I got for Harmony. I bought this shoe yesterday in Zara. It's super cute. Meanwhile, Harmony had this shoe when she was very little, but now they don't fit anymore. And I like the fact that this shoe goes with everything. No outfit that this shoe does not go with. So I saw it yesterday and I was like, okay, we got to buy this. Like, we have to. And it's super cute. And we also saw this. This is kind of a sweater dress, or what do they call it? A jumper or something, I don't know. So it's also from Zara and it's super cute. And this one is 9 years, okay? 9 years. So the last but not the least is this t-shirt. I took this from Verbode yesterday when I went to pick this stuff. I just love what they wrote, like try something new, you know. Nathan have a lot of clothes already. Like, I think at this point he have all the clothes and shoes that he need for school, but I just like what they wrote, so I had to take it. And I also bought him a jacket yesterday, which he already wore. The weather was bad yesterday. Thank God I even got it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for the birthday wishes once again, and I really appreciate it. So in case you're new here, my name is Teresa. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in France, Lyon to be precise. So do well to support this channel by subscribing. Like, subscribe to my channel. In here we do fun stuff, cooking, lifestyle, living, and sharing all that good stuff. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.